Hi guys, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Mango season has started and people will make various kind of pickles. Today I'm going to make avocado pickle. I have already posted one recipe. This recipe is little different. I have already made here and kept it. So you will think so much of oil in this. Yes, because if you have to preserve it, then you have to put this much oil. The oil should be above the level of the pickle. The sound you can hear of mine. Here I have taken 1.5 kg of mangoes. I have mixed 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder and little oil and mixed it with the mangoes so that when you add the masala will stick to the mangoes. Now I have taken a big vessel. Here I have mixed the masalas. In this, mustard seed is there, chilli powder, methi powder, then salt. I will give it in the description box the quantity I have taken for 1.5 kg of mangoes. I have not roasted any of the items. All raw items are used for making this pickle. I am using gingerly oil. Now we will put the mangoes in the vessel. And put some masala. Mix it. So that the masala powder will stick to the mangoes well. See here, you can see. If you want, you can add garlic also in this. So I am not very fond of garlic, so I am not adding it. I'll be adding a little bit of garlic in a small bottle only for the recipe purpose, but in this I am not adding. I'll keep a separate bottle, small bottle. In that I will add 5 to 6 garlics and the black chana also. That tastes awesome actually. Now we'll put another batch of mangoes. According to the sourness of the mangoes, you can decide the quantity of salt and chili powder. Again add some more masala in this. Mix it well. Now continue this process till the mangoes and masalas are over. Then afterwards we will add the oil in this. I have mixed the masala in the mango. Now we'll add some oil in this. Around 300 ml of oil I am adding now. We will cover and keep this after mixing it, and tomorrow we will see. A day we will keep it and we'll come to know the oil will rise to the level of the pickle. Then if it is required, we can add more. I have added around 500 ml of oil in this. Now after mixing the oil, just press like this, cover and keep it, and tomorrow we will see. If it is required, we will add more oil in this. The ingredients taken for this pickle, I will give it in the description box. I am making little with garlic and this black chana. My mother-in-law used to add this black chana. Garlic I am just adding it, and this chana I have just put it in the kadai and made warm so that the moisture, if any, will go. Otherwise the pickle will get spoiled. Now we'll mix this well by adding some oil. I've added oil and mixed it well, and keeping it now aside for maturing this. If it is required, we'll add more oil. After 2 days, we'll see. I've already transferred the same into a glass jar. Now see, you can, the oil is slowly started floating on top of the pickle. In case if it is required, we can add little more oil. So our avakkai pickle in this method is ready. Do try this. Now the season of mango has started, and you can make this pickle and give me your feedback. This lasts for a longer period. It won't get spoiled. I made this pickle, and see the oil, and this one is along with the brown chana and garlic. The oil has started oozing out now on top of the pickle. See here. So the exact quantity of the ingredients I used, I'll give it in the description box. You can check that and make the pickle. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and give me your feedback, and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. Few tips I will give it in the description box, that also you can check. Whenever you want to use the pickle, take out little pickle in a small bowl and use it. Ensure that you use the dry spoon